What's up, everybody? I hope you're enjoying your Friday. This is Seth with the Landing Page Dude, and today I'm going to show you the first two pages we've put together for the Bettr Shopify theme. This is a theme that we are designing from scratch and building into Shopify. And I'm going to start off with the homepage, which is what you're looking at right now. The idea here was to play with their content. They have exquisite content, and we really wanted to show it off. As you can tell, it's a skincare product for men. And throughout the page, you'll notice that they have a lot of high-end curated content. And as a landing page agency, there's nothing better than working with clients that have their assets and content ready, especially when it's such high quality like Bettr does. So with the homepage, we wanted to focus on the main fold call to action. We wanted it to be simple, use a single button, and then kind of just rest on the lifestyle images. And as you can see, when you land on this, either on mobile or desktop, you're going to be hit with feel like a man, look like a champion, and buy now, which I think is absolutely amazing. And then we fall into the social proof, which you see in a lot of our landing pages. And kind of just going down and throughout the page, you'll notice how amazing the content is in terms of their photography. The benefits, we wanted to keep it simple and clean. White background, a lot of space. Not too many colors. It's a masculine vibe. So charcoals and darks and grays and hints of white. Their hero product, the complete skincare trio. We wanted to put this on the homepage because it's their best-selling product. And if they could choose someone to buy something, it would most likely be the complete skincare trio, opposed to just one skincare product. And then, of course, just like any Shopify homepage, you're going to be able to see the entire collection, or you can click on See All to go and see it. Social proof was amazing. These are obviously real photos, but as a dude, if I was to buy a skincare product, this is where I would want to focus my attention on, kind of seeing the results, the before and afters. And that's why we had it here. It really helps with conversions, being able to visually see what this product does. More onto the social proof, they work with a lot of celebrities. So we wanted to show that off, and we created this section specifically for that. So that's the homepage. Now back to the landing page. This landing page is a product landing page, meaning this is the product page they will use on their Shopify site. The complete skincare trio, as I said before, is their hero product. And we wanted to make it, again, simple, blacks, grays, charcoals, and make it all about the product and the lifestyle photography. So in the hero section, we've made it very simple, product on the left, written content on the right. And you have the opportunity to obviously split using Affirm or Sezzle, which I highly recommend, by the way. If you're selling online, guys, you must use these apps nowadays. It increases conversions by 20 to 30%. And it's just going to be the future of how people pay for things. They want to be paying monthly or in 3 or 4 installments. And if you add it to your Shopify site, I can personally guarantee you will see more conversions. So kind of just to wrap up here on the hero section, we wanted to keep it clean and simple, and I think we nailed it. It looks super professional, and I love how we've kind of meshed this image onto the second section without interrupting it. And just like on the homepage, you're going to see a lot of the social proof here with the logos, and that's because they're going to be sending traffic to the homepage, to the product page, so you never want to miss an opportunity to kind of sell yourself. The before and after, like I said before, people want to see results. They want to see, what can I achieve? What does this do? How effective is it? And that's why we went with this image. The step 1, step 2, step 3, it explains how to use each product. And that's important. I mean, on the product page, instead of having such a detailed FAQ, you can instead educate people on the ingredients, how to use it. And it's a great way to get people to understand your product. We were lucky enough to have the photos to correlate to each step, and I think put together it looks absolutely awesome. The benefits, we wanted to make it simple. We wanted to use their products. And I hope I'm not repeating myself, but like the goal here was just to make it all about the product and keep it simple. We have a lot of call to actions, kind of like a click-through page where we don't want to miss out on any opportunity. So as you scroll from the top to the bottom, you'll have the add to cart. You have the add to cart 4 times, 5 times, and then the social proof, which is absolutely phenomenal. They work with a lot of famous celebrities, and as a dude, it does work. It's not just ladies. I don't know who any of these people are, to be honest with you, but it does make me want to buy it knowing that these influencers and celebrities are purchasing it. And then lastly, we always end now with a call to action. So there's 6 opportunities here to get people to add it to the cart. And the more you have, like I said, the higher the chance you're going to convert and get them into checkout. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions about this theme, how we're doing it, please feel free to ask. And I thank you for your time. Now go out, enjoy your weekend, and I will be back with you on Monday with another video. Have a great day.